Hey guys, my name is Julie Wynn and I am a life coach for dance teachers, studio owners, and I am making these quick little videos in the hopes to support you because I know everybody's really panicking and fearing what the future looks like, what the financial status looks like, all of that. So I'm creating these to hopefully bring you a little bit more peace and to help you to be able to step back just for a minute and take this opportunity of time that we have. A lot of the business really requires us to step back a lot and to reflect on who we are as leaders, who we are as teachers, to make sure that who we are and what we want is really aligned with the studio. And what better time to do that than now. And when we begin to do this work, and see the magic that begins to unfold in our lives, then we can bring this work into the studio and start teaching our students this as well. And we always say it's more than just dance, and it is. So, but it first starts with us. So here are some coaching exercises, tips and tools for you to be doing at home while, we're waiting for our normal lives to start again. So here we go. I've been doing the work myself, and I just found an old journal that I wrote in 2015, I think. And the exercise that I created at the time was called My Champagne Life. So what did I want my most amazing life to be like? And you guys, it is 2020, and I am living it. Everything that I wrote down, my days, my house, my daily experiences, what I wanted to travel at the time, that was just a dream, and in the past 5 years, I have experienced it. So I'm a full believer in stepping back in your life and really taking time to allow your heart to have a voice, to allow your soul to have a voice, and what do you want your life to look like? What do you want to experience? How do you want your story to go? So I want you to grab your journal or a piece of paper and a pen, and I want you to take a moment to just write out dream. Allow your imagination and your heart to just create the most magical life. If you were living your champagne life, what would that be? Where would you be living? And it could be I am. This is exactly it. What will your days look like? What are you going to experience? Some people like to travel. Do you want to travel, and to what places? And how do you want to be feeling more in your day? What do you want to be surrounded by? What is really filling your cup? So don't limit yourself, and write until you feel that happiness and that joy inside. Don't let don't poo-poo what's coming up. Don't edit yourself like, oh yeah, that will never happen. Just if someone were to hand you a magic notebook and a magic pen and said, write what you want, give it back to me, and I will deliver it, what are you gonna write? What is your order to the universe? So have fun, and remember, we're all gonna get through this, and the hope is that we come out better. And the only way to really come out better is to stop, to pull back, and to do some work, around our own personal lives, our own hearts, and really what we want to be, what we're doing here. How can we make it better? How can I increase my ability to love and to be of service to other people? Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps. Sending you so much love.